Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our cozy corner of the internet. I'm thrilled to see you all returning for another video. Good morning, breakfast enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a delightful journey through the realm of morning nourishment. Alright, let's get this video started. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is like giving your body a jump start. It kickstarts your metabolism, replenishes your energy levels, and prepares you to take on whatever challenges the day may bring. Think of it as investing in yourself, setting the foundation for a productive and fulfilling day ahead. Today I'm excited to share with you the top 10 healthiest foods to kickstart your morning. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. It provides a good balance of carbohydrates and protein, making it a satisfying and nourishing breakfast option. Oatmeal contains complex carbohydrates that are slowly digested, providing a steady release of energy throughout the morning. This can help keep you feeling full and energized until your next meal. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Regular consumption of oatmeal may reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Oatmeal is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a filling breakfast choice that can help control appetite and prevent overeating later in the day. Including oatmeal in your morning routine may support weight loss or weight management goals. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. Starting your day with a protein-rich meal like eggs can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking later in the day. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that is important for brain health and cognitive function. Choline plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis and is involved in memory, mood regulation, and other cognitive processes. Including eggs in your morning meal can help support optimal brain function throughout the day. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are essential for maintaining eye health. These nutrients can help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, promoting overall vision health and preserving eye function as you age. Eating a protein-rich breakfast, such as eggs, can help boost metabolism and increase calorie burning throughout the day. Protein requires more energy to digest and metabolize compared to carbohydrates or fats, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food TEFF, which can contribute to increased energy expenditure and potential weight loss or weight maintenance. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. The combination of healthy fats, protein and fiber in nuts and seeds helps to provide sustained energy levels throughout the morning. This can help keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking later in the day. Many nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your breakfast can help boost your antioxidant intake and support overall health. Many nuts and seeds are rich in vitamins and minerals that support immune function, such as vitamin E, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections and illnesses. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your morning meal can help provide the essential nutrients needed to keep your immune system strong and resilient. Chewing nuts and seeds stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize acids in the mouth and prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Additionally, nuts and seeds contain minerals like calcium and phosphorus that are essential for maintaining strong and healthy teeth and bones. Enjoying nuts and seeds as part of your breakfast can contribute to better oral health. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is packed with essential nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and B vitamins. Calcium in particular is important for bone health, while B vitamins play a crucial role in energy metabolism. The protein in cottage cheese contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Consuming cottage cheese after a workout can help support muscle recovery and promote muscle building, making it an ideal post-exercise meal. Cottage cheese is a good source of selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Including cottage cheese in your morning meal can contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. Cottage cheese is naturally gluten-free and lactose-free, making it suitable for individuals with gluten sensitivities or lactose intolerance. It's a versatile option that can accommodate a wide range of dietary preferences and restrictions. Number 5. Fruits. Fruits have high water content, which can help you stay hydrated after a night's sleep when your body may be slightly dehydrated. Eating fruits like watermelon, oranges, and strawberries can contribute to your daily fluid intake. The fiber found in fruits promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy digestive system. Consuming fruits with breakfast can help prevent constipation and maintain gut health, ensuring smooth digestion throughout the day. Fruits are a natural source of carbohydrates, which are the body's primary fuel source during exercise. Consuming fruits before or after a workout can provide quick energy and replenish glycogen stores, leading to enhanced athletic performance and faster recovery. Many fruits have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels throughout the day. Number 6. Veggie omelette. Loaded with a variety of vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes, a veggie omelette provides a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for overall health. While being filling and satisfying, a veggie omelette is relatively low in calories compared to many other breakfast options, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. A diet rich in vegetables and eggs has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Incorporating a veggie omelette into your morning routine can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and lower your risk of developing these conditions. Eggs contain essential amino acids like tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and promotes feelings of happiness and well-being. Starting your day with a veggie omelette can help uplift your mood and improve mental clarity and focus. Number 7. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is made from grains that contain all parts of the grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means it retains important nutrients like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing more nutritional value compared to refined grains. Whole grains contain prebiotic fibers that serve as food for beneficial bacteria in your gut. By nourishing these bacteria, whole grain toast helps maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiota, which is essential for digestive health, immune function, and even mood regulation. Consuming whole grains, such as whole grain toast, has been associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The fiber and nutrients in whole grains help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of diabetes. The complex carbohydrates found in whole grain toast are an important source of fuel for your brain. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast can improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration, allowing you to perform better mentally and stay focused throughout the morning. Number 8. Smoked salmon. Smoked salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. Starting your day with omega-3s can help support cognitive function and overall well-being. Smoked salmon is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Incorporating smoked salmon into your breakfast routine can help support strong and healthy bones, especially important as you age. For individuals who follow a gluten-free diet, smoked salmon is a safe and delicious breakfast choice. Pair it with gluten-free toast, crackers, or vegetables for a satisfying and gluten-free morning meal. Smoked salmon pairs well with a variety of other breakfast foods, such as scrambled eggs, cream cheese, avocado, and whole grain bread. Its rich, smoky flavor adds depth to any dish, making breakfast more enjoyable and satisfying. Number 9. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and iron. Starting your day with a serving of leafy greens helps ensure you get a nutrient boost right from the beginning. Leafy greens are rich in iron, a mineral essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body and maintaining energy levels. Starting your day with iron-rich leafy greens can help prevent fatigue and promote vitality. The antioxidants found in leafy greens, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Starting your day with leafy greens can help slow down the aging process and promote a youthful appearance. Leafy greens have an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance pH levels and reduce acidity. Including leafy greens in your morning meal can help support overall alkalinity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with excess acidity. Number 10. Smoothies. When made with nutrient-dense ingredients and portion-controlled, smoothies can be a helpful tool for those looking to manage their weight. They can provide a satisfying meal with controlled calories, helping to prevent overeating later in the day. Smoothies can be an effective way to increase your fluid intake, especially if you struggle to drink enough water throughout the day. Adding hydrating ingredients like coconut water, cucumber, or watermelon to your smoothies can contribute to your overall hydration. Smoothies can be an excellent choice for both pre- and post-workout nutrition. A smoothie made with carbohydrates and protein before a workout can provide energy and support muscle function, while a post-workout smoothie can help replenish glycogen stores and aid in muscle recovery. Certain ingredients commonly used in smoothies, such as berries and leafy greens, are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been shown to support brain health and cognitive function, including memory, focus, and concentration. By adding these nutrient-dense foods to your morning breakfast routine, you can kickstart your day on a healthy note and enhance your overall well-being. Thanks for being such an amazing audience. I'm deeply appreciative of your ongoing support. Thank you for being a part of our community. I'm deeply appreciative of your ongoing support.